Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix cannot select this partition error while installing Windows 11. Press Shift and F10 keys. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type list part. Select problematic partition number. Type clean. Click refresh. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.